Neera Sareen here at Om Karma, Master in Intuitive Sciences, Tarot Practitioner, and a Spiritual Transformation Coach. Today I'm going to be talking about meditation. And as we all know, that this is not a new word, कोई नया शब्द नहीं है. Meditation, ध्यान की जो क्रिया है, प्रक्रिया है, इसके बारे में हम बहुत सुनते रहते हैं. We keep hearing it from anybody who's a coach, who's an evolved master, from the psychologist, from the psychiatrist, and all of the teachers, guides, mentors. Everybody talks of meditation because meditation is extremely good for our mind, body, heart, and soul, to bring peace, to bring calmness, to bring unification with ourselves in our internal world, and to be able to face all the external hardships, all the external stresses, all the external responses. मेडिटेशन एक ऐसी क्रिया है या एक ऐसी साधना है या एक ध्यान जो है वो एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमारी ज़िंदगी का एक बहुत अहम हिस्सा बनना चाहिए. जिस तरह से बाकी की चीज़ें चलती हैं उसी तरह से मेडिटेशन भी हमें अपनाना चाहिए रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी के लिए. बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ हेल्प, the kind of focus, the kind of concentration, the kind of wonderful things that we inculcate for our internal self through meditation is phenomenal. इसका कोई comparison ही नहीं है. इसीलिए तो सब आजकल meditation के बारे में ही बात करते हैं. I at Om Karma personally teach the different levels of meditations. In case you guys are interested, you can touch base with me. So there are 3 levels. पहला level तो beginners level है, यानी कि a person who has never even meditated, उसको किस तरह से करना चाहिए, how the person should start. And simple meditative techniques हैं. आप meditation कुछ मिनटों के लिए भी कर सकते हैं, कुछ घंटों के लिए भी कर सकते हैं. और ये जो बिगनर्स लेवल के जो सिंपल मेथड्स हैं, that is only for people who are novice and who have never meditated in their lives and now would like to take this up. The second level is the intermediate level, जहाँ पे हम कुछ breath work introduce करते हैं, and we also introduce some kind of chantings here. And so obviously the level is a little more advanced with compared to the beginners level, and yet it is also profound. And the third level is the advanced level, which is a very high level of meditation, and which involves a lot of prana work, the breath work, the chanting work, and also to do a lot of silence meditations, that is with your in awareness meditation, the pulse meditation, and so on and so forth. So these are the 3 levels. और जो भी सीकर आता है या जो भी सीकर सीखना चाहे, depends on what level that seeker is and which is the level of meditative practice the person wants to take. So I personally teach, and these courses and these workshops keep happening on and off in the center, in fact every month. So in case you are interested to learn or take a private session with respect to a meditation, like supposing for balancing chakras or to cleansing, purifying the chakras, as we know that they are very important energy centers in the body, or anything else to calm and to bring peace in the mind and the emotions, can contact us at Om Karma. The numbers, etc., everything is given here. You can fix up an appointment and speak to me as well for taking all the other details. Thank you so much, and loads of